Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your account in Supercell ID. This essential process safeguards your valuable game progress, ensuring you never lose your hard-earned achievements. Connecting your account also provides the flexibility to switch seamlessly between different game profiles on various devices. Let's begin by understanding the initial steps to secure your gaming experience with Supercell ID, making sure your progress is always safe and accessible. To start, simply open any Supercell game you have installed on your mobile device. Once inside the game, navigate to the Settings menu, which is typically represented by a small gear icon. From there, you will see an option labeled Connect or Supercell ID. Tapping this button will initiate the connection process, guiding you towards securing your game data and unlocking the full benefits of a connected account. Next, you will be presented with two options: register new if this is your first time connecting, or log in if you already have an existing Supercell ID. If registering, simply enter your preferred email address. Supercell will then send a unique 6-digit verification code to that email. This code is crucial for confirming your identity and linking your game progress securely to your new or existing Supercell ID. Finally, check your email inbox for the 6-digit verification code that Supercell has sent. Carefully enter this code into the designated field within your game. Once the code is correctly entered, confirm your account connection to finalize the process. Your game progress is now securely linked to your Supercell ID, allowing you to easily access it from any device and switch between multiple game accounts with complete peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.